Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Republic Day to one and all. Why is Republic Day celebrated? Counted among the three national holidays of the country together with the Independence Day 15th August and Gandhi Jayanti 2nd October. Republic Day of India 26th January is a very popular national celebration. This event marks the proud founding of the republic tradition of one of the largest democracies in the world. The significance of the day. Republic Day is meant to honor the date in which country's Constituent Assembly adopted the constitution specially framed for the nation on 26 January 1950. The newly drafted Constitution of India came to be enforced by way of replacing the Government of India Act 1935. Since then, this day is celebrated as the Republic Day of India year on year as a national event which the Republic holiday declared in all states of the country. Concept of Purna Swaraj. On 26 January 1930, the Indian National Congress declared Purna Swaraj or complete independence of the country from foreign rule. This proclamation enjoined the members of the Congress as well as banned Indian nationalists to fight for the independence of the country. And it was also decided that this day shall be celebrated as the Independence Day of the country. Later, when India got its independence on another day, 15th August, it was decided that the Constituent Assembly would enforce the Constitution on 26 January 1950, though it was adopted on 26 November 1949. What was the need for a constitution? India got its freedom from the British rule on 15th August 1947. The freedom of the country was brought about the bloodless and peaceful resistance and visioned by the Congress under the leadership of Mahatma Gandhi, who championed the way of non-violent protest of a kind and scale that was unprecedented in the history. When India was declared as the constitutional monarchy on this day, the nation still did not have a permanent constitution. Therefore, on the 28th August 1947, the drafting committee was established under the leadership of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. When the constitution is enforced, the drafting committee submitted a draft of the constitution to the Assembly on 4th November 1947. Assembly organized the series of sessions to discuss the constitution. The process that stretched over 166 days was spent over 2 years, 11 months and 18 days. And all these sessions were open to the public. Details about copies of the Constitution. Following several deliberations and modifications, the Assembly, consisting of 308 members, prepared two handwritten copies of the Constitution, one in Hindi language and the other in English, duly signed by all the members. After its signing on 24th January 1950, it was enforced throughout the nation 2 days later on 26 January 1950. And now celebrations in the country. The main Republic Day event is organized year on year on this date in the capital of India, New Delhi. In a ceremony held in Rajpath, the President of India, presides over the event, and the colorful and ceremonious parade is organized in honor of the nation. I hope you like this information about Republic Day. Guys, if you really enjoyed watching our video, then do share it and do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and hit on bell icon to never miss another episode. Thank you so much for watching. Vande Mataram.